The next most important and the most potent poison known to mankind after cyanide is aconite. Aconite is a cardiac poison, the most poisonous species, and it is sweetest in taste. That's why it is also called meetha zahar, because it tastes sweets. That's why it is called meetha zahar. Most poisonous species are Aconitum nepilis, Aconitum ferox. The most poisonous species are Aconitum nepilis and Aconitum ferox. All the plant are poisonous. The branches, the seed, the stem, the flower, all are poisonous in the same way. Then it is sweetish taste, also called meetha zahar. Active principle is aconitine, aconine, pickled aconitine. These are the active principles: aconitine, aconine, pickled aconitine, then pseudo-aconitine. Mechanism of action. The mechanism of action is, it first stimulates the sensory nerves, which causes tingling sensation. Then it paralyzes the sensory nerves, which causes numbness. It first stimulates the sensory nerves, which causes tingling. Then it paralyzes the sensory nerves, causing numbness. Then similar effects on the motor nerves and centers of medulla and cord. Similar effects on the motor nerves with centers of medulla and cord. Then motor ganglion of the heart are paralyzed. The motor ganglion of the heart are paralyzed. A respiratory center is slowed, and death occurs due to respiratory arrest. So what is the mechanism of action? It first stimulates the sensory nerves, which causes tingling, then paralyzes the sensory nerves, causing numbness. Similar effects on the motor nerves and center of medulla and cord. Motor ganglia of the heart are paralyzed. Respiratory center is slowed, and death occurs in respiratory arrest. This is Aconitum nepilis, and this is Aconitum ferox. We'll watch it again. This is Aconitum nepilis, and this is Aconitum ferox. What are the signs and symptoms? Feeling of warmth in the mouth and throat, then tingling and prickling sensation. Feeling of warmth in the mouth and throat, causing tingling and pricking sensation. Then numbness in the skin and cutaneous sensibility is decreased. There is numbness in the skin and cutaneous sensibility is decreased. There is tingling in the mouth, leading to salivation, nausea and vomiting. Then muscular weakness occurs, slow, weak and irregular pulse occurs, then leading to arrhythmia. Muscular weaknesses occurs, slow, weak and irregular pulse with arrhythmias. Pupils dilate and contract alternatively, but dilate at the terminal stage. Pupil dilate and contract alternatively, but at the terminal stage it dilates. Then death from the asphyxia due to paralysis of the respiration, but maybe from shock or syncope. And mind usually remains unaffected. The mind usually remains unaffected. These are the complete signs and symptoms, where death is from asphyxia due to paralysis of the respiration, but maybe from shock or syncope, because it's a cardiac poison. Mind usually remains unaffected throughout the condition. Fatal dose is 250 milligram for the extract. If root, then 1 gram, and 20 to 30 milliliter of the tincture. So what you can say that 250 milligram of the extract, 1 gram of the root, and 20 to 30 milliliter of tincture. That is very less. For the alkaloid, it is 4 milligram. Alkaloid, it is 4 milligram. What is the fatal period? The shortest is 45 minutes, and the longest is 24 hours. From 45 minutes to 24 hours. Average is 6 hours. Average fatal period is 6 hours. Then what is the treatment? The treatment is gastric lavage with warm water, then potassium permanganate or tannic acid. Milk or activated charcoal is given. Atropine for vagal inhibition. Oxygen for artificial respiration. Postmortem appearance में there is congestion and involvement of the brain and lungs, and the poison remains in the stomach. What is the medical importance? It is ideal suicidal poison and homicidal poison. It's an ideal suicidal and homicidal poison. होमिसाइडल इसलिए है कि स्वीटिश टेस्ट है, किसी भी चीज़ में मिला के आप दे सकते हैं, कुछ भी पता नहीं चलता, और जब तक सिम्टम्स का पता चलता है तब तक देर हो चुकी होती है. एंड ऑल्सो इट इज़ वेरी मच एक्सीडेंटल. So these are the Aconite, the most important